in for compost. I don't know what you can see, but I've got all these different small little bins for tin and aluminum, paper, plastic, all that, and you put that out front. You have the trash in the middle and the two lines of kids in the back, and you just do a relay. And to make it fun, you tell them they have to hop on one foot, or you have to go backwards, and they have to pick up the type of trash and put it in the right bin. And then, you know, the team that wins, you know, hey, you all win. But if we recycle, then we're all winners. Yay, yay, yay. And then you can go back to the bins and see if they did it right. Because sometimes they put it in the wrong bin. And you talk about how that will contaminate and that's not good. So we really have to be mindful of recycling properly. Except, do you guys have single stream? I don't know what kind of recycling you have. How is...
I'm sorry?
What kind of recycling do you have? Do you separate it into separate compartments, or you just throw it all in one bin?
There's really not much recycling going on.
Oh, okay, good. So you are the one that's going to bring this to fruition. I'm excited.